Hey everyone, welcome to one of our Bob's Watches tutorial videos. Today we're going over how to set your Rolex GMT Master. Launched in 1955 as a watch capable of displaying two different time zones, the Rolex GMT was created specifically for pilots and airline crews working on transcontinental flights. Rolex produced the GMT Master until the end of the 1990s when it was finally retired to make way for the GMT Master 2. In addition to the normal three hands that display the hours, minutes, and seconds, GMT Master watches also feature additional 24-hour hands that work with their rotating bezels to display a secondary time zone, along with a date display located at 3 o'clock. This core set of features, combined with Rolex's waterproof Oyster case and self-winding movement, created the blueprint for the modern travel watch and helped inspire an entire genre of timepieces. It's important to note that while all GMT Master watches have the same core set of features, their operating instructions have slightly changed throughout the years. For example, if you have a vintage GMT Master with a 4-digit reference number, it does not have a quick set date, and so you'll have to rotate the hands around the dial past midnight in order to change the date display. Other than having an additional 24-hour hand and a rotating bezel, operating your Rolex GMT Master works very similar to any other date displaying wristwatch, and it will largely follow the same overall setting instructions. To set your Rolex GMT Master, simply unscrew the winding crown and pull it out to the first notch. In this position, you'll be setting the date display, which is located at 3 o'clock on the dial. Rotate the crown to change the value until the correct number appears inside the date window. Again, if you have an older version of the GMT Master, you'll not be able to adjust the calendar display independently from the time, so you'll have to advance the hands past midnight in order to change the date. To set the time on your Rolex GMT Master, pull the winding crown out to the second notch until you feel a faint click and the seconds hand comes to a complete stop. Depending on the age of your watch, the seconds hand may not stop when the crown is pulled out, however rotating it in this position will still allow you to set the time. Turn the crown in either direction until the correct time is displayed by the hands. During this stage, it's important to take note of whether your watch is displaying AM or PM hours. The easiest way to do this is to just look at your watch's 24-hour hand. If it's on the right side of the dial, it's AM, and if it's on the left, it's PM. Once the time and date have been set, push in your winding crown and screw it back down to the case in order to ensure that your watch stays protected against moisture and dirt. Should you wish to use your GMT Master's rotating bezel to display a second time zone, simply turn it in either direction to correspond with the number of hours either ahead or behind of your current time zone. You can then read the time in your secondary location by referencing the GMT hand's current position against the 24-hour scale on your watch's bezel. Originally designed for pilots but now embraced by a wide variety of owners that spans everyone from jet setters to global adventurers, the GMT Master is an icon from the world of horology and one of the most famous and recognizable Rolex watches of all time. For more information on the Rolex GMT Master, be sure to check out our website, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on our latest video content.